Good morning. So we're here with Scott and Christina, and we've just closed on the sale of their property. We just have a few questions for you. First of all, why did you guys decide to sell your property as is?
That's our first house. We've had it for 19 years and it needed a lot of work. And we did not want to live through the renovations.
Right, definitely that can be a stressful time. Um, so why did you decide to sell your home?
We had had a few people come over and look and actually didn't get offers from them. Scott came over, he quickly assessed the property and he gave us an offer on the spot and signed a contract that day.
Great, that's awesome. Yes, that definitely is a plus when you can get something done super quickly. And then finally, why or how has it been in the process dealing with us?
It's been great. We actually had a new house built, and they were extremely accommodating in new house construction. That closing date is a moving target, and they
Right.
had no problem moving our closing date forward and backwards to allow us to complete our new home.
That's awesome. That's great that we were able to adjust things and help you guys out accordingly. We appreciate your feedback, and hopefully, the new move and the new home all goes successful. And we wish you well. Thank you.
Thank you.